Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Shooting this video with the LG G7 1080p front-facing cam. You got an 8 megapixel shooter on the front. This smartphone is the one that I decided to bring with me on vacation. Here at the Oregon coast, here at the beach house. I left all the other smartphones at home and brought this one to shoot video and take pics, to create those memories that for myself and my family can look back on. I'm going to share some of those pictures and video with you right after this part of the video. Some of that video is going to be in slow-mo, and some of the pics, wide-angle pics. Because in my opinion, nobody does it better than LG when it comes to that wide-angle feature. Not gimmicky at all. It is solid. Very practical. Update on my G7 since picking it up 2 months ago. Let me just say, even with that notch, it checks all the boxes. It really does. Anyway, enjoy the video, enjoy the pictures.